Ever need to find and replace a character or a piece of text within a string in Java? It's a fundamental operation for everything from formatting data to sanitizing user input. In this quick guide, I'll show you two powerful methods, .replace and .replaceAll, and explain the key differences so you know exactly which one to use. But before we begin, if this tutorial helps you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another developer. Alright, let's start with this original string on screen. Hello world, hello Java. First, let's talk about the .replace method. This method is perfect when you need to replace a specific, literal piece of text. For example, let's use this method to replace every lowercase e with the number 3. As you can see, it found and replaced every single e in the string. This method is also case-sensitive, so if you are trying to replace uppercase H here, it won't affect the lowercase h. The .replace method also works with char sequence, which basically means you can use it to replace whole substrings. Let's try replacing the word hello with hola. It replaces all matching occurrences of the target sequence. But what if you need to do something more complex, like replace any amount of whitespace with a single space? For that, we need the .replaceAll method. This method is incredibly powerful because it uses a regular expression, or regex, to find what to replace. Let's look at this new string with messy whitespace. To clean it up, we can use replaceAll with the regex \s+. This pattern tells Java to find one or more whitespace characters and replace them all with a single space. Let's print both the original and the replaced string to see the difference. And just like that, our string is perfectly formatted. This is something you can only do if you are using replaceAll method. You won't achieve the same thing if you're using normal replace, like this. So to summarize, use the replace method when you want to replace a specific literal character or substring. Use .replaceAll when you need the power of regular expressions to find and replace patterns. If this guide helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.